Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain how to render the architectural floor plan in FreeCAD in 3D rendering. I will explain this tutorial. First you want to render the objects in FreeCAD. Install the POV-Ray software. I will show you. This is the website www.pvray.organization download, and you can observe the /download on the click on the download option. You can see the Windows binary, and on the Windows using the Windows PC software, download the Windows installer and click on the Windows installer and install it to the in your PC. Then after you can observe the icon, the POV-Ray 3.7 is the latest version. After opening the POV-Ray, you can observe that this is the interface. Here you want to do the no restrictions option, and you can observe this is the parameters of the render. You can the edit settings. You can also change the edit settings here. I'm giving the section. You can also increase the section or decrease the section here, how much of image you want. And then after installing this, close the POV-Ray and go on to the FreeCAD. The FreeCAD, the model is already developed. Here how to change the properties I will show you, and go to the edit, go to the preferences. You can observe the preferences, display and the import export is there. You want to import the ray tracing. Here I want to show go into the drafting workbench, and after the drafting workbench go to the ray tracing option. After the ray tracing option, you can observe the ray tracing and go into the edit and go to the preferences. After the preferences, go to the ray tracing. Here already ray tracing is created, and POV-Ray output parameters. You can observe here POV-Ray executable, and click on the three dots. You can observe after installation the 3.7. Go into the folder where it is installed and go into the bin, and you can observe the 64-bit operating system, 32-bit. I'm using the 64, and click on the 64 and click on open. Here it is installed. You want to give the output parameters. You can also increase or decrease the parameters. Increase and decrease the parameters, and click on. You can observe click on apply and click on OK here. And after what to do, here the ray tracing, the options is there. Select the radiosity normal and click on the dialog box S. Here the POV-Ray project of the folder is created. Then after, first what are you want to render, click the all of the walls and the doors and the windows. First go to this object. You can observe select a part object. Before the selection, select a part object. First I want to select all of the parts by using the control, and select all of the parts like this by scroll key. Select all of the parts. You can observe all the walls and the doors, windows and selected, and select here insert a viewport object into a ray tracing project. You can observe on the POV project. You can observe all the parts are inserted here on the POV, and select the POV project here and go to the renders the current tracing. After selecting the POV project, select the tracing. For example, you are not selected, you can observe ray tracing. Then after, create the save as type render image, the render floor plan. You can observe the file name. Want to create the given to the desktop, you can give the desktop and click on save option, and you can observe it is rendering like this. The ray tracing will work. You can observe the image is created. You can also in our desktop the rendering is created like this. Then some of the portion is created. You can observe here you want to change the width and the height, go into the edit and go into the preferences. Here already I adjusted to the output window. You can observe here the ray tracing and given to the, for example, 1500. For example, this is a 2 meter 500. For example, apply and click on OK. I want to click on the camera. Here you can observe the camera. I want to delete this. You can also delete camera and click on the ray tracing object and again change the some of the name and click on save. You can observe the again the object is, see the dimension of the rendering portion is changed by clicking on the edit preferences. Like this you can create the renders in FreeCAD by using the PO Erase software, rendering software. I already created how to create the walls and the doors in my previous tutorial, and how to create the 2D floor plan also. Can also check out my previous tutorials.